If I was to get a E92, I didn't have to get the line.
You like it?
Like,
oh my god.
That's just fucking loud, bro.
Yeah, your Fady don't sound like that, David. I'm sorry, buddy.
I'm about to
put that motor in it? Yeah, I miss that so much, bro. Oh, I miss that so much, loud, dude. Sounds crazy. Kevin's tripping for that, bro. There's so many cops in downtown.
That shit hard.
He said that shit hard. He's talking about my car, Kevin, not yours. I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. As you guys can see, we are in downtown LA right now. We just met up with all the BMW homies. Where are we going, Kevin? Kevin in the E92 Lime Rock. I have not seen this car in forever, bro. I don't even remember the last time I've seen this car. And we got a bunch of BMWs behind us. It's actually a BMW car meet that we're going to. But as soon as we pulled up, I guess cops were coming, so everyone scattered. I don't know why, but I guess we're gonna figure out what to do right now.
What happened?
I don't know. I just pulled up too. Like I was literally about to pull in, and they're like,
I'm like, oh, there's Nick.
And they're like, don't go in, don't go in. I was like,
hey, bro, you're at the wrong meet.
I know.
Look where you're here with all the BMWs.
So yeah, guys, today is a BMW car meet. Well, tonight was a BMW car meet. Kevin sent it to me, and I was like, you know what? I'll pull up, bro. We were gonna bring David's F80, but David didn't feel like driving it. So we pulled up in the GTR, and I brought my GTR to a BMW meet, bro. What is this? We got a bunch of E92s. We got the Lime Rock. That's actually frozen paint.
Oh, hey, Nick is missing his E92.
Yeah, that's paint. Jason.
Bro, you don't have your E92, man.
It's gone. E46. Oh! What? Oh my god, you scared me. What, David? Why didn't you bring it?
I have no idea where to go.
The fan, bro.
David doesn't want to drive it.
No, this was really fucking up the fan over here ripping that shit.
David was mad because I did some donuts in his car.
Bro, it's because my radiator went out. So my radiator went out, and then the fan.
Salvage.
And then the fan went out, bro.
You
So
should have. This is
fan
the
is
meat. You
coming.
had to bring it.
So who was there at the meet?
What's up?
Who was there?
But yeah, we got Jason's E92 here. The most beautiful E92 in the world, bro. Oh my god. That car. Jason, what's up? Jason got the matching shoes to the car. You guys remember this car? The most beautiful E92 ever, honestly. The crazy ass seats, bro. Color match to the car too. So sick. This E46 is beautiful. This is like a perfect example of E46 M3. This, if you put it next to mine, it would be crazy. Completely total opposite, bro. This is like a collector's item right here, bro. It is, dude. This color's rare. There's a bunch of rare colors. I think this is rare. The car yellow.
We got
the Lime Rock. I think that's rare too. I don't know what it's called. I forgot the color. But this is a super rare color too. That's a super rare color. It's a factory matte frozen paint gray. They're all literally factory crazy colors. I know. And then we got the. They're trying to leave me because I don't have a BMW. What? And then we have a G80, bro. Look at this, David. Oh my god, bro. I guess the homie just picked this up. He just got it. Oh my god, look at the interior. Orange interior,
bro,
and black exterior.
Bro, this is fucking...
The orange interior is pretty cool. I don't like orange, but it's pretty sick. If I got a G80, yeah, black is perfect, dude. If I get a G80, guys, it's definitely gonna be black.
I love those combos.
But I would do red interior, not orange.
Man, this is like the fully loaded
Behind the scenes of Kevin's vlog.
Yeah, so nice, bro.
So
honestly,
nice? No, this is your interior right there.
This is nice.
That's just Kevin all over it. I'm surprised Jason hasn't got one yet. No?
The grill.
You still don't like it? It's so nice, bro.
I didn't know they made a 4-door.
Yeah, the M3.
What's this?
This is M3.
No, but the G80, what? It's like...
A G80, M3, yeah. And then the M4 is what? G82?
G82, convertible is G83, and this is G80. G, wait, one letter.
H?
This is G.
Is it gonna be H next?
H, H80, and
Yeah, it's
H80.
gonna be ugly, bro.
already?
This paint is exactly like my GTR. It has like little sparkles in it. It's hard to see on camera, but it's like the black paint with the... Yeah, look at the carbon roof. It has little like... Look at the roof, how it's like an indent. That's sick. See, he got GTR paint on his BMW.
Yeah.
Or do I got BMW paint on my GTR? I don't know. Or does Jason's shoes match the M3 or does an M3 match the shoes? I don't know, bro. Oh, they might have hit. Oh, Kevin.
What?
that almost hit. I saw Kevin. Bro, he was about to jump in the between.
Alright, now we're good.
You almost jumped in there. You gonna put your leg in there?
Put my whole body in. I ain't nobody hitting that bumper.
They crutch him in between. I'm taking it.
You're the second person that
Yes,
you sit
sit
in
in
my
it?
brand new car.
Oh my, you barely got it?
Yes, right?
3 days ago,
3
guys.
days. Just got it yesterday from Full Detail from BMW.
Oh my, I should get out of it, huh?
Bro, this shit is so fucking clean, bro.
It's beautiful, dude. It's so sick. How do I turn the lights on? Look at this, guys. Like I said, I like the orange. The orange is cool, but it wouldn't be my first choice. You guys know I want the red. It smells brand new?
So sex.
It smells good, bro. It's literally 3 days old, dude. Like, that's crazy. The digital dash, digital everything. Look at it.
It's touchscreen? No, there's no way.
Bro, yours in the touchscreen? So sick. Look at that, guys. I like these new cars, bro. Like, it's just so different. That makes my GTR feel like a piece of crap, bro. How much was it?
120.
120? Oh my god, big baller right there. That's crazy. Look at the headlights, dude. See, guys, I want one too, but I don't know about 120. That's a lot of money. I don't got pockets like the homie over here.
Like him?
Like both of them. And he also has a wide body M2, which you guys have probably seen in my vlogs too, but he just picked this up. Must be nice. But anyways, guys, the meet got shut down, unfortunately. I mean, they think it got shut down. I don't know. I think everyone just got scared. Someone said there was cops, so everyone started leaving. And that was as soon as we were pulling in, everyone was leaving. So I was like, wow, what a waste, bro. We drove out for nothing. So all the cars kind of scattered, and now we only have like this little group of cars. I don't know where all the other BMWs went, but we tried going to a BMW meet today. Didn't work. I'm just gonna go get some food right now. So I'll try to film as much as I can, get you guys some cool content. The G80's so quiet, bro. Everyone's all scared because there's a cop right there. Well, that thing's sick. I don't know. Oh my god, it's so loud. Guys, the cop's right there.
He's tripping, bro. He's going down, but look at him.
I know, he's slowing down, waiting for us probably. He's really down shifting with the cop right there. They're not that fast, but they're loud.
They sound like they're going fucking fast.
Yeah, they sound like they're going fast, but they're not going nowhere. But they sound so good. Well, the G80's so big compared to the United 2. That shit's wide. What happened to the M4? Your M4? Got repoed? Why are you driving this? Damn, he got the spinners on there. Look at that.
I thought it was a Supreme Screen.
Bro, we almost died right now, I swear. You saw the car? I had to do it.
You didn't see it? I didn't see that drop.
Yeah, I didn't see the drop either. Bro, you saw me drop? Yeah. Where did I get those at? I need those center caps. They're really racing.
God damn, you smell that?
Yeah, it smells, bro. E92 smell a lot when you take off the cats. So many cops around here.
KG.
cheat.
What's up, Kevin?
Get into Javier's without a wait time.
Please, no video.
Alright guys, we made it to dinner. Everyone's squeezing this little ass table.
Check the vlog, bro.
Huh?
I've been here some vlog. Can I do a strawberry?
Yeah, something like that.
That shit sounds crazy. It's not a cat after that was good.
I know. This car is so sick, bro. Like the paint is literally frozen paint, guys. Matte paint. Oh, that's why it sounds like that. So I guess it sounds like kind of like canned because it's not tuned yet.
You'll never know, bro. There's stock mufflers on there.
This diffuser is so sick. I've always wanted to do the diffuser on mine. When I had it, I'm telling you, if I ever buy another E92, I'm gonna do all the parts that I always wanted to do, like that. Look how sick it looks. The undercarriage, Rambo kit. Damn. David missed the spot. Look at
Yeah, I hope
all the E92s. I know you guys miss seeing the E92s in the videos. Kevin's orange one. You guys remember this one?
Kevin needs to wash.
Kevin does need a wash. You gotta go to Essential Auto Spa, huh? Yeah, Kevin's car's super clean too. His reminds me of mine because we always had ours together. Like my E92 was always literally with him. We always cruise everywhere. Everyone still has theirs but me. Can you believe that? Damn.
4-door?
I really want one. Like I'm not lying, guys. 3 days ago, bro. That shit's so nice.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.